Do you want to get the rare Xbox knife in Murder Mystery 2, but you don't know how? Don't worry, I'm here to show you exactly how to unlock this awesome item and make your collection even cooler. So first, you need to make sure that you have an Xbox account. If you don't, you can easily create one on the Xbox website or through your Xbox console. Once you have your account, sign in sign into it on Roblox. Next, you're going to need to join the game Murder Mystery 2. So while you're logged into your Xbox account, the Xbox knife is a special limited item. So you'll need to play the game while connected to your Xbox account to be eligible. All right? So the Xbox knife was part of a special promotion, so it's only available for a limited time. If you didn't get it when it was available, don't worry. Keep checking for new offers in the future, as Roblox and Xbox sometimes bring back exclusive items, okay? To increase your chances of getting rare items, keep playing and participate in in-game events. Also, follow any updates on Roblox to catch any new promotions. So now that you know how to do it, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.